So, making some white bean chicken chili today. Let's see. Oh gosh, this is from more than 3.5 years ago. Getting close to 4 years ago. But just some for dinner. So I already have the water measured out into there, and I heated it in the microwave till it was boiling. So I might have to heat it a little more after I put everything in. But I'm going to just rip the top off, which I failed. So I got the first one. Okay, so there's the white bean chicken chili way back then. I'm going to get the oxygen absorber out, and I'm going to move the scale so it's not in the way and I don't tip it off of there. And I'm going to just mix it enough to get it all wet, and then I'll cover it with plastic wrap and then come back and mix it a little bit more in a little while, and probably heat it in the microwave a little bit more because it'll cool off a bit in this container. Okay, so I'm going to just set that. Set that there until I need it. All right. And I think I'll add a pot holder on the top just to insulate it a little bit. And same thing underneath. I'm going to set it on one so again to insulate it a little bit. And we'll come back a little while and check that. Well, it's been a total of 5 minutes. I'm going to give it a stir. Take this off part way and give it a little bit of a stir just to make sure that the beans get all down in there. And cover it back up. Okay, it's had a chance to rehydrate for a while. I give it a little bit of a stir, and then I'm going to reheat it a little bit in the microwave because it's cooled down a bit. And then serve some of it up. So I'll put this most of the way over, leave a vent hole. Okay, so that's reheated some. Okay, I'm gonna put a bit of this in a bowl. You could, obviously you could serve it over rice or something, but we like it like this. You can add some cheese or tomato, onion, chili powder. I'm gonna add a little bit of paste and a little bit of the Herdez. The beans are all rehydrated. Everything else, of course, is. The beans can take the longest, but they still don't take very long. 15-20 minutes is plenty. Perhaps less if you just let it at a higher temperature. Okay, then you can put any kind of toppings on you want. And then I add that. So some sour cream and some